Hello, so we're going to share the screen here to showcase some of the capabilities that you have available for you. Any Blackbox users have access to today. So we're going to take an example. We're going to start specifically with first the Blackbox CLI, and we're gonna see what kind of examples we can fully leverage it with. So you have a very wide range of use cases that are available for you. Uh, Through the Blackbox CLI, you can pick any model that you want. So closed source, open source models, they are all available on it right now. So we're gonna pick here one example. Let's go in the desktop, and we're gonna share full screen here. Okay, so we're gonna take a very simple example, and we're gonna tell it to do the following thing. So I want you to look up some of the latest releases from XAI and their benchmark performance on their latest models. And based on this information, I want you to build a sleek, modern looking web page with good design to showcase some of those insights. Make it also interactive for a good user experience. So we have this running right now. We're going to show you how, while you run this, we're going to open up another CLI right here. And basically, while this is running, we're going to always allow it. So it just went and found the docs from XAI. And okay, so here we're going to actually, at this point, let the Blackbox agent implement a task. So while this task is currently running, we have another task on one of the repos that the agent has access to. So we're going to fully give it an autonomous task to work on, and we're going to see it once it's done. So we're going to tell it use the remote code tool, and I want you to do a task on the repo on this repo remote code, and we're going to just give the branch, and the branch name is main team feature, let's say, and the task is to allow users to see in dynamic charts their previous activity and all their previous activity. Okay. We forgot to click this. Okay, so we're delaying this one. So we're gonna see with the modern dynamic charts their previous activity, and based on model usage or agent usage, we're gonna just check something that the agent is. Yeah, we're gonna just continue here. The agent was at the door, so we had to let the agent enter. And so yeah, we're gonna have the model usage, the agent usage to be displayed, to be displayed, and also their request logs. Okay, so now, even though, as you see here, this is a local CLI, uh, yeah, even though this is a local CLI at the moment, yeah, we're actually just sent it right now completely remotely. Now we see the task success has been sent. So even though here I can completely shut this terminal down, which is not the case in a typical CLI. So a typical CLI, what the mere mortal CLIs, they basically, okay, we're gonna just also do this one here. Okay, now it's already running. Yeah, so here we have the code. We're gonna actually, yes, always allow. Okay. Yeah. So now it's sent. Okay, let's continue here. Okay. So we're going to tell it, show me my last 5 tasks that were sent using the remote code tool. So once again, as mentioned, this can completely, there we go. So we have the task that we just retrieved right now, and we're going to be able to have a look at it. So these are all the recent tasks. We have them right here. There's one that's processing, and the other ones are the ones that complete. Okay, and while we're taking a look at this part here, this one is currently ongoing, and you can see the code that's writing in real time, while this one is completely remote, and you don't need to be, we're going to actually shut it down. So we just turned this one off. I closed it. And as you see, I can ask again, tell me the status. Okay, there it is. And here you see this to-do list. You can keep track of it. We're gonna briefly pause the video, but you have here an overview on the local CLI execution, the remote code through the CLI. And we're gonna actually continue, but we're just gonna here show how we just completely turned it back on. And I'm gonna say here, tell me the status on my latest task using the remote code. So we're giving it permission. There we go. So we just fetched them right here. And what would be interesting as well is we can go through an example in a bit here. There we go. So the status is still processing. It's almost 50%, right? The difference between these two is that the left one, if I shut it down right now, the execution completely stops. So if you're out of battery, it completely stops. Whereas this one is a complete remote, so you have no dependence on your local system.